Boop! Wagwan people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Armanii, Alkaline, and Footer Hype. So man, leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified so you do not and will not miss a brand new upload. As me, big up on yourself and make we jump right into it. So viewers, we're gonna kick this off with the vendetta boss, Alkaline. When you think about new rules, that's the question I'm gonna ask my viewers and subscribers. When you think about new rules, when you think about the performances by the artists, them, you know, the Silk Boss, you have Tifa, you have Intense, you have Armanii, and you don't know, you have Alkaline. When you think about the performance, because I see some good comments from the people, them actually did enjoy themselves, them like the performances, and the viewers, we have Armanii at this Valiant, DJ Mac, and Walk and Talk. But we'll soon get into that. The comments I'm read, them will give off some good energy, some good, some positive vibes. You know, so the people them enjoy themselves. As I mean, I'm not gonna lie, watch it live, and the crowd was really good. The performances really good, and also yes, Silk Boss perform. You see me? You can see say, yo, Silk Boss enjoy his performance at New Rules, you know. But yeah, man, so far I don't see nothing bad. New Rules was, you know, yeah. So don't even take down below when you think about New Rules, if you don't watch it live or if you did, you know, if you did the dear. And leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Alkaline perform back-to-back hits, you see me? And at one point in our performance, Alkaline got change off and forward back out and drop some more hits for the people them. So yeah man, New Rules, it deliver. You see me? It deliver. The people them have a good time. Had a good time, you see me? So yeah man, just leave a take down below in the comments.
No bag man tell a girl on your vibe, but don't you do that. Here you for teacher man for sure and fool that. Back cocky I and I is told that. You say you have your man, so we do this today. So come on a Valiant.
Yeah man, so the G fire shot after Valiant and DJ Mac, and him also this Walk and Talk, but me don't have the clip for the part where him this Walk and Talk, but you can go search it up. Yeah man, the G this them brawling on stage at New Rules. Viewers and subscribers, when you think about that, I think this beef between Armanii, Valiant, DJ Mac, and Walk and Talk, I think it's a long time thing that's going on for a long time now, you see me? But the entertainer fire shot brawling and him call name. So just leave on a take down below when you think about that. Armanii a fire shot brawling. So Stalk actually made a post to her IG where she talk on the whole situation with she and Bad Skylar. If you don't want to check it out, and you can go over upon her IG and just read what Stalk actually had to say. But recently she made this post, as you can see on the screen, and it says, I've opened the comments not for public commentary but for those who wanted to show public support. I love you guys. Thank you loads for the continued support even in these dark times. Stalk actually went on and said, pray for her with a white heart. So Stalk actually still show Bad Skylar support. So viewers and subscribers, like I said before, if you don't have to read what Stalk actually had to say about the whole situation, you can go over upon our page. It's on IG. Yeah, you can read it over there, so you see me. So I'm going to play a clip with Footer and make you hear what the entertainer had to say about what happened.
In first 48, where when a crime happened, the police try see what happened in the first 48 hours, I saw me do my thing. When me see a story pop out, big, worse about public figure and them thing there, me give it 48 hours to see what gonna happen. You see what happened? Mother come out and say one set of thing. Next day, she apologized, look nervous and everything. I say, alright, man, wait to see what the daughter gonna say when she come from hospital. Boom, the daughter come from hospital. I cuss the mother. Me hear one point, she said the mother deserve a knife in her neck. And I say, wow, your mother deserve a knife in her neck. That sounds extreme. Anyway, so it wishy-washy. The story not solid. Obviously she tell the mother something, and then obviously she tell Stark Ashley them something else. So it mix up, it wishy-washy. So me not have nothing to say about it. Me not have no verdict on it. Right now, that gone in a limbo, me no business with it. You understand what I say? On a big man level. Cause the first day, it looked like we just hang Stark, Ashley and Jackson, kill them alive. And then the next day, it looked like somebody got page the mother and the mother nervous and apologize. Then the next day, the daughter come and say the mother forget a knife in her neck and dead. And me I say, you know, say this serious. You know, say this wishy-washy. Because obviously her mother don't know Jackson and Ashley. She did have to tell Stark Ashley. She did have to tell her mother about Stark Ashley and Jax. Zine? But then when you come out of the hospital, you tell Jackson and Stark Ashley them say, I lie your mother tell, and your mother deserve a knife in her neck. When your mother no know Stark Ashley and know Jax, and know about Jax and him hood and what go on in a sexual thing and rare. It not make no sense. So either she tell her mother lie when she in a problem, then when she good back now, she try friend up back Stark Ashley them and I tell them say the mother is a shit house. So she play the two of them because she could have come back to a realization and realize say, okay, so Stark Ashley them and me I go mash up. Me have to go back to Spanish Town and go live in a lane. She don't want that, so she just tell Stark Ashley them much them want to hear. But at the time when she had a problem with Stark Ashley them and Jax them, she got tell her mother where she want her mother hear. Zine? Because no matter how people say she and her mother no good, when the problem come, her mother she call. Her mother she go pick up. Her mother pick her up and try save her. So say she and her mother never good. Her mother at the point of refuge when problem reach. Zine? So you run guy your mother. Obviously, and you tell your mother everything where your mother attacks it. Boom, your mother carry your mental hospital, block, get 2 injection, get 2 pill allegedly. You come back to your senses now. You realize that blood clot. Spanish Town, me have to go over my mother over me auntie them. Me not like that life there. Me like up at the big house. Me like in the big house with Stark Ashley them. Me like have anything to drink every day and food to eat and tell people so me live uptown and way. Blood clot, me can't make this work. Boom. Stark Ashley alive, she'll tell my mother to get a knife in her neck. Yo, ray. So, yeah, wishy-washy. Yeah, wobble. Yeah, swing over this one, swing over this one, swing over this one. Yeah, somebody who can't be trusted. I'm sorry if you hear everything that happened to you, you know, little girl. If something happened to you, because at this point now, we don't know what is true from what is not true. And you could have caused Stark Ashley and Jax to be dead. Because Jamaican people not play.
So viewers, based on where Footer Hyper say, when you think about the whole situation with Stark Ashley and Bad Skyler, I'm just leaving a take down below on any of the topic that I touch upon. Big up on yourself like always and catch you in another one.